The 34th match of IPL 2025 will witness a face-off between RCB and the Punjab Kings set to be played at M. Chinnaswamy Stadium in Bangalore on April 18th. Royal Challengers Bangalore have shown great form in this season with 4 wins out of 6 games. Their most recent victory came against Rajasthan Royals, where Phil Salt and Virat Kohli stitched a partnership together, guiding their side to a comprehensive win. Punjab Kings too are riding high with 4 victories in 6 matches. In their last outing, Prabhsimran got them to a great start and Yuzvendra Chahal's impactful bowling sealed a narrow victory over KKR. Moving on to head-to-head records between RCB and Punjab Kings. In IPL history, these two sides have met 33 times, with Punjab Kings leading narrowly with 17 wins, RCB having 16 wins. Moving on to the weather and pitch report of this high-stakes match. The weather in Bengaluru is expected to be partly cloudy, with temperatures around 27 degrees Celsius. The M. Chinnaswamy Stadium is known for batting-friendly pitch, offering good bounce, pace and making it a paradise for stroke makers. Seamers may get some movement early on, but the bowlers often find it tough once the set batters gets going. Average first innings score here is around 177 runs, and chasing has proven slightly easier at this venue, having a win percentage of 52%. Moving on to where to watch this match. Catch all the live action on Star Sports 1, Star Sports 1 Hindi, and streaming on Jio Hotstar applications starting from 7:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Moving on to the predicted playing 11s for this match. Firstly, the Royal Challengers Bengaluru. Phil Salt, the wicket-keeper, opening alongside Virat Kohli, having Rajat Patidar, the captain, at number 3. Liam Livingston at number 4, Jitesh Sharma at number 5, Tim David at number 6, Krunal Pandya at number 7, Bhuvneshwar Kumar at number 8, Suyash Sharma the spinner at number 9, Josh Hazelwood at number 10, Yash Dayal the OG at number 11, and Devdutt Padikkal can come in as the impact player. Moving on to Punjab Kings, Priyansh Arya the youngster opening alongside another youngster, Prabhsimran Singh, having Shreyas Iyer the captain at number 3, Josh Inglis the Aussie wicketkeeper at number 4, Nihal Vadera at number 5, Glenn Maxwell at number 6, Shashank Singh at number 7, Marco Jensen at number 8, Xavier Bartlett at number 9, Arshdeep Singh at number 10, Yuzvendra Chahal at number 11, and Suryansh Shegde can come in as the impact player. Moving on to Dream 11 predictions and fantasy cricket tips, as well as the hot picks for this match. Firstly, the captaincy picks. Virat Kohli delivered a fine 62-run knock in the last match. Shreyas Iyer will be determined to make amends after a rare failure in the last match. Moving on to the top picks. Phil Salt blasted a quick 65 runs in the last match and continues to be dynamic force at the top order. Rajat Patidar offers stability and composure in RCB's middle order. Moving on to the budget picks. Prabhsimran Singh, capable of providing fiery starts and available at a lower cost range. Yuzi Chahal, known for his knack of breaking partnerships in the middle overs. Now RCB versus Punjab Kings, captaincy and vice captaincy choices. Captains can be Virat Kohli and Shreyas Iyer. Vice captains can be Phil Salt and Rajat Patidar. Now the Dream 11 predicted teams. Team 1, safe team for small leagues. Wicket keepers are Phil Salt and Prabhsimran Singh. Batsmen are Shreyas Iyer, Virat Kohli, Rajat Patidar and Priyansh Arya. All-rounders are Glenn Maxwell, Krunal Pandya and Marco Jensen, and the bowlers are Arshdeep Singh and Josh Hazelwood. Virat Kohli will be the leader of the side, having Phil Salt, another opener of RCB, as the vice captain. Moving on to Team 2, risky team for the Grand Leagues. The sole wicket keeper is Phil Salt. Batsmen are Shreyas Iyer, Virat Kohli, Rajat Patidar and Priyansh Arya. All-rounders are Glenn Maxwell, Krunal Pandya and Marco Jensen, and the bowlers are Arshdeep Singh, Josh Hazelwood and Bhuvneshwar Kumar. This team will be led by Punjab's captain Shreyas Iyer, having RCB's captain Rajat Patidar as the vice captain. Now the players to avoid in this high stakes and most entertaining match. Nuwan Tushara with 7 credits did not play in the last match, so should be avoided. Suryansh Shegde with 5.5 credits scored only 16 points in the last match, so must be avoided. Now the expert fantasy advice before this match. Safe league captaincy option is Virat Kohli. Grand League captaincy option is Shreyas Iyer. Point picks can be Bhuvneshwar Kumar and Prabhsimran Singh. An ideal Dream 11 team combination for this match is 2 wicket keepers, 4 batsmen, 3 all-rounders and 2 bowlers. With a balanced mix of youth and experience, Punjab Kings look slightly better prepared and are anticipated to edge out RCB in this high voltage match. So stay tuned for more updates, match analysis and Dream 11 predictions only on your favorite channel, Cricket Addictor.